Hello and welcome to Gyaniketan Girls School. This is Reena. Today I am going to start chapter 1, computer networking. As you know, computer networking, it is combination of two words, computer and network. First, computer, it is a machine which is used to convert the data in a digital form, and network to combine different types of computer. It means the word computer network is responsible to connect different computers in a single network. Why it is needed and what is the purpose of computer network? Today we will discuss. Nowadays you know very well that how internet is working and how it becomes a part of our daily life. In today's age, networks are very everywhere and our lives are influenced by them directly or indirectly. We haven't tried to understand how the ATM works. We haven't tried to understand how our email works, how our data transfer from one place to another place. But by learning this chapter, we are capable to understand how exactly the computer network works and how the internet works in a World Wide Web and in a World Wide Web series. It makes our life very easy. We can do different types of tasks from our home. Like we can book our tickets, we can order our meal, we can order our grocery items, we can buy products from our home. All of these are possible by means of internet and computer network. Today we will discuss that what is the network. Here, a network is connected collection of autonomous computers which can be viewed by this example and picture a typical computer network. Here in a center there is a hub and switch and different individual computers are connected with this hub. Apart from the computer, we can also connect the hardware devices like printer in a network also. So what is the purpose of network? We can easily understand by means of this image. But first of all, we have to define a computer network is a set of two or more interconnected computers and a set of hardware devices. In a computer network, there are different facilities provided which makes our life very easy and which makes our task very easy. Why it is needed? We can discuss it by means of the following features. The first is resource sharing. It means we can share the software and hardwares with the help of computer network. Reliability. It is very reliable. We can trust on it to transfer the data and the security of all these data. Cost factor. It is very important for our life to save money while exchanging large amount of data. So it is very cost effective. Cost factors here. We can share our data with a limited cost with the help of computer network. Communication medium. Before a computer network, we have only one option to converse with the help of telephones and later and mails. But after developing our computer network, we are capable to communicate in audio, video, image, text and all these mediums. This is called communication mediums. Application of a network. There are different applications of network which we can discuss like this. The first stage, sharing. In our daily life, we are transferring a lot of data with the help of computer networks. If you want to share the data on WhatsApp with your friends, it is a type of sharing. Access to remote database. It means we can store the large amount of data in a central server and it can be easily accessible by anywhere, anytime. This is called remote database access. Communication facilities. As you know that communication medium is developed in the internet, we can use the different communication facilities also. If you want to chat with your friends, we can use chat option. If you want to do the video conferencing, it is possible by means of the computer network. It means there are a lot of communication facilities available on the internet. The elementary terminology of networks. The different terms we are using in our day-to-day life, which means we don't know what the terms stands for. There are different terms we can use in our internet. The first is node. Node is also known as the workstation. The term node refers to the computer that are attached to a network. It means if a computer is not connected in a network, it is called computer. But when the same computer is connected in a network, this computer is known as the node. It is also known as the workstation where user can do their work. The next term is server. Server is a large storage computer which is capable to connect number of computers and serve their responses. There are different types of servers like non-dedicated server and dedicated server. The dedicated server is responsible to connect directly to the computer, whether the non-dedicated servers are indirect way to serve the client machine and nodes. The next is NIU, Network Interface Unit, and MAC address. This is the physical address of hardwares which is very important in a computer network to uniquely identify each workstation and server. Here you can see that a network interface unit is an interpreter that helps establish communication between the server and the workstation. Whether the MAC address refers to the physical address assigned by the NIC manufacturer. The network interface unit is a device, the network card, that is attached to each of the workstation and the server and help the workstation establish the all important connection with the network. Each network interface unit that is attached to the workstation has a unique number identity, which known as the mode address. The NIU is also called terminal access point, TAP. Different manufacturers have different types of names of the interface. The NIU is also called NIC Network Interface Card. The NIC manufacturer assigned a unique physical address to each NIC card known as the Media Access Control Address. Media Access Control Address, which is known as the MAC address. You can see the example of MAC address. It is a 6-byte address like 10:B5:03:63:2E:FC. It means there are 6 numbers and combination of alphabets which is separated with the colon. It means it is a 6-byte of MAC address. Now you have the MAC address is actually the number assigned to the network card for the computer. The first 3 bytes of MAC address are the manufacturer ID and the last 3 bytes are the card number. This is the process of naming which has been defined by the IEEE, International Organization name. The another term we can use in our internet and network is known as the IP address. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. Here you can see each network device on a TCP IP network needs to have a unique address to the network. The unique address on a TCP IP network is the IP address. IP address are needed so that different networks can communicate with each other. It is also a physical address and unique address. You can see that every machine on a TCP IP network has a unique identifying number called an IP address. It is available in 2 different modes, the older version and the newer version. The older version is 32-bit and the newer version is known as 128-bit, which is known as IPv4 and IPv6. You can see the process of how a computer gets an IP address. Whenever a computer becomes part of a network, it is assigned its IP address. In the other words, when you get connected to your ISP, Internet Service Provider, like Reliance, Tata, Airtel, MTNL, BSNL, and other ISP. If you want to know about the IP addressing assigned to your computer, you can follow the instruction like below. Connect to your ISP, Click on start and run, then at run. In the run, type CMD and press enter. In the CMD window, this is the command window, you just type ipconfig and press enter. You will get the IP configuration of the your computer which is connected with the network. It is not possible while disconnected with the network. The another term is domain name. It is a unique identity to provide the name of website. Here you can see that the domain name is a unique name assigned to a website. A domain generally contains following parts. First, www. Second, name describing the website's purpose. And third, the top level domains such as .com, .net, .org, .edu, .ca, .in, .jp, etc. If you watch observe the website address, you can see www.amazon.in, www.van.co.com.in. Here the www is the first part, the name Amazon is second part, and the .com is the domain, means top level domain. The domain name is also known as DNS name and domain name system name. Here you can see in domain name resolution. As you know that the websites are mostly accessed through their domain names because the domain name is the much easier to memorize and recognize. It means the domain name resolution is used to recognize the websites, whether it is commercial, whether it is Indian, and etc. So thanks for now. We will discuss another parts in next week.